Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your phone supports 5G and that the carrier account has an active 5G plan. Open Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data. Make sure cellular data is on. Next, tap Network Mode and choose 5G or 5G Auto so the device can switch intelligently. Once done, restart the phone to apply carrier profile updates. This prevents registration errors and ensures the radio negotiates the correct bands with towers. You now focus on linking and optimizing. Move to an area with clear 5G coverage and watch for 5G or 5G Plus in the status bar. That confirms a 5G connection. Make sure Wi-Fi Assist or similar features are configured so cellular stays active when needed. If speeds are inconsistent, check carrier settings for preferred bands or APN tweaks. Make adjustments exactly as the carrier instructs. Once optimized, run a quick speed test to confirm latency and throughput improvements. You finish by securing performance and handling problems. Set data limits or alerts because 5G can consume more bandwidth quickly, and choose low data modes in apps when necessary. If 5G does not appear, toggle airplane mode, restart the device, and reset the SIM. Also check for carrier setting updates. If issues persist, capture network info and contact your carrier so they can check provisioning or tower band allocation. This step resolves most stubborn registration or band mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.